Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC and welcome to the next part of this Boom Racing BRX02 Land Rover Series 2 88 kit build series. In this part of the build series, we are going to go over building the transfer case. And that part is step 5 in the manual. And for this part of this series, you'll need the transfer case itself, the parts from bag I, the remaining pieces from bag E, or parts from bag E that you used from the last step, and thread lock, as well as the graphite grease. For step 5, you'll need the following parts. You'll need the transfer case housing, these 3 shafts right here, 4 5x14x5 bearings, 1 5x10x4 bearing, 1 4x10x4 bearing, these 2 29 tooth gears, and 1 20-tooth gear, these 2 2x8 pins, 5 5x8 by 0.5 spacers, 1 4x7 by 0.5 spacer, and these 5 M2x8 cap head screws. Alright, we've got the first part of step 5 done. Let's move to the next part of step 5. Alright, for this part, make sure that the transfer case is facing in an upward position, meaning this guiding shaft is facing up, because you don't want those spacers and everything to shift, because you're going to remove this right here. Okay, carefully remove that. Make sure everything's still lined up inside. And go ahead and attach the transmission to it. There you go. There you go. And with that, that completes this part of the build series. The transfer case, which is now attached to the gearbox. So I hope you enjoyed watching this part of the build. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for the next part of the boom racing BRX02 Land Rover Series 2 88